Is this the best sounding electric car on the market? This is the Abarth 500e, 152 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 7 seconds, 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Potenza Sport tyres. And did I mention the sound? Inside you get sport seats that are heated with the Abarth logo embossed on the headrest. You get a sunroof, armrest storage, even more storage, a pop-out cup holder, a wireless phone charger, 10-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that's completely wireless, reversing camera, speed limiter and cruise control with road sign recognition, a JBL sound system and a digital display. So it looks the part, sounds the part, does it go the part?